All right, so these are weird questions when these come up. They don't come up very often, and you have to know these formulas. And I'm going to be honest, I have no clue what these formulas are. So if I ever got asked a question like this, I'm out. I'm out of luck. All right. So the margin of error, if you don't know the standard deviation, is you can take the probability. So P with a little hat on top of it. Let me see if I can write that legibly. P hat is the probability that it happens. Okay. So that's what we've got there. So I've got that. So I put this little thing together to tell me the margin of error. We already know this. All right. And then this other one right here gives me the sample distribution. This is a sample distribution. So this is a sample standard deviation. That would be super weird to get to. But let's go down through here and see if I can do these things right. Okay. I had to look up what p hat was before I did this because I didn't remember. All right, so in an election poll, 200 people were surveyed, 45% expressed a likelihood to vote for a particular candidate. The margin of error is as closest to what? So I know the probability. I got to use this one. All right, I don't have the standard deviation. So it's 2 times the square root of 0.45, 1 minus 0.45 over, n was what, 200? I'm just going to put that whole thing in my calculator. So 2 square root alpha y equals 0.45, 1 minus 0.45 over 200. All right, so 0.07 is going to be the standard deviation, or the margin of error. So 7%. And like I said, again, this is do you know that equation? I'm sure we talked about it. If not, I apologize for that. We should have. But I'm sure we did talk about it, and it's just one of those things. Do you know it? It's very silly they don't give it to you, but that's how the Regents exam works.